to today's lesson. If you're learning English language, understanding parts of speech is essential. Parts of speech are the building blocks of sentences. Every word you use or say belongs to a specific category that helps to give meaning to our sentences. In this video, I'll break down the 8 parts of speech with clear explanations and examples. And by the end of this video, you'll have a strong understanding of how words function in English. So, let's get started. 1. Nouns. Now, nouns are naming words. A noun is a word that names a person, a place, thing, or idea. Under nouns, we have different nouns for different reasons. We have nouns for places, and these include schools, hospital, library, airport, market, restaurant, village, city, museum, park, and so many others. All those are the nouns that name places. Secondly, we have nouns for persons, and these ones, they can be the titles of professions. For example, teacher, doctor, farmer, pilot, engineer, artist, your name, my name, lawyer, chief can also be a noun, driver is also a noun, scientists, and those are the nouns that name persons. Examples of nouns for things include chair, table, book, pen, pencil, blanket, phone, pillow, car, duvet, television, speaker, clock, curtain, board, bag, ring, lamp, and so many others. All those are the nouns for things. Here are some examples for nouns of ideas, and these nouns of ideas, we call them abstract nouns. We cannot see these things, we cannot touch them, we can only feel them. They're abstract. We have love, happiness, freedom, honesty, wisdom, courage, peace, kindness, success, hope, creativity. These are nouns that are supposed to be for ideas. Everything around you that names anything is a noun. In English language, unlike other languages, nouns can act as different parts of a sentence depending on its function. There are main roles of a noun, and these can be: a noun can be used as a subject, who or what the sentence is about. For example, the teacher explained the lesson, and in that sentence, the teacher is the subject. 2, it can be used as an object, the one that receives the action of the verb. It can also be used as the direct object. She bought a book. And then it can also be used as an indirect object, a subject, complement, where here renames or describes the object. For example, my father is a doctor. My father, the doctor, describes what my father is. It can also be used as an object complement. It can also be used as an object of a preposition. It can also be used as a positive. Now, a positive gives extra information about a noun. For example, my friend, a musician, is performing tonight. So, in that example, which one is the appositive? A musician is performing tonight is a positive. Examples of sentences with nouns, we have: the teacher explained the lesson. In that sentence, the teacher is the noun. Happiness is important in life. Now, happiness in that sentence is an abstract noun, which makes it a noun. Second part of speech, we have pronouns. Now, pronouns replace noun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetitions. And the nouns, we have different types of pronouns. We have the personal pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. We also have possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, theirs. We also have demonstrative, these, that, those, these. Examples of sentences with pronoun is Maria is my friend. She is kind. She replaces the pronoun Maria, the noun Maria. Next, we have the verbs. A verb is an action word. A verb is a word that expresses the state of action or state of being. We have different types of verbs. We have action verbs. Action, this one show action. Run, eat, write, dance. We have verbs that state the state of being, is, was, were. Examples of verbs, I run every morning. Run in that sentence is an action verb. 2, she is my best friend. Is in that sentence is a verb of state of being. Next, we have adjectives. Now, adjectives describe a noun or a pronoun. It tells us what kind or how many or which one. Examples of adjectives, we have descriptive adjectives, beautiful, happy, fast. We also have quantitative adjectives. We have few, many, 5, some. Demonstrative adjectives, these, that, this, and those. Examples of sentences where we have these adjectives, we have the beautiful flowers are in the garden. In that sentence, beautiful describes the flowers. I have 3 books. Now 3 tells us how many books you have, which is an adjective. Next, we have adverbs. Adverbs. These describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. An adverb tells us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. For example, we have adverbs of manner. Manner. How did something happen? Here we have quickly, slowly, happily. We have adverbs of time that tell us when, now, yesterday, later, tomorrow. We have adverbs of place, everywhere, there. Examples of sentences, we have she speaks softly. Softly is an adverb describing how she speaks. Next, we have they will arrive tomorrow. Tomorrow tells us when they will arrive. Tomorrow is an adverb of time. We also have prepositions. Now, prepositions connect a noun or a pronoun to the rest of the sentence. They show a relationship in terms of a place, direction, or time. An example, we have prepositions of time. We have prepositions of time are in, on, at, before, after. We have preposition of place, under, over, between, behind. We have preposition of directions, to, from, towards. Examples of sentences, we have the book is on the table. On shows the relationship between the book and the table. We also have prepositions, I will meet you after lunch. After lunch shows the relationship between time and the action. We also have conjunctions. Now, conjunction is a part of speech that joins words, phrases, clauses in the sentences. We have different types of conjunctions. We have the coordinating conjunction. These ones, I love putting them in one category. The word is fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yes. Now, we have subordinating conjunctions. We have although, because, and we have also correlative conjunctions, neither, nor, either, or. Examples of sentences, I like coffee, but she prefers tea. But joins two ideas. Next sentence, you can either come with me or stay here. Either or joins two options. We also have interjections. Now, interjection is a word or phrase that expresses sudden emotion. Examples. Now, interjection are major reactions. Wow, oh, oops, hey, ouch. These ones show emotion and reaction. Examples. Wow, that's an amazing performance. Now, wow in this case shows surprise. Oops, I dropped my phone. The oops expresses a mistake that has been performed. Now it is time for you to practice. Try creating your own sentences using these parts of speech. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.